Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are Group 2 from the IT Project Management course and we are excited to share our insights on how to be an effective project leader. Our team has delved into the Pembroke 6 and 7 to bring you a comprehensive guide on project leadership. This video project is a key part of our course fulfillment and we are eager to contribute to your understanding of this crucial topic. Imagine a project where everyone's on the same page, tasks are being done seamlessly, and goals are made with enthusiasm. This seems like a fantasy, but it's not. It can be done with the power of effective project leadership. In this video, we'll explore the key elements that make a project leader truly exceptional. We'll equip you with the practical tools and techniques to excel in this dynamic role. But first, let us talk about leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is the ability to inspire, guide, and influence teams towards the accomplishment of common goals. This concept goes well beyond simple hierarchical authority and is based on interpersonal skills, values, and a commitment to collective success. Whether we are talking about an executive, a coach, or a school teacher, leadership is enabling others to accomplish something they couldn't do on their own. Leadership is also considered a critical soft skill for project managers. Project leadership is about guiding, influencing, and inspiring a team to achieve project goals. It includes creating a vision for the project and motivating team members to work toward that vision. As per Pembroke 7, a project manager is a leader who inspires and aligns stakeholders toward achieving value delivery. My team members will now take you through the key skills, tools, techniques, and leadership style that contribute to effective project leadership. Get ready to elevate your skills and transform into a project leader who inspires, motivates, and achieves outstanding results.
Today, we'll explore what it means to be an effective project leader and the key skills essential to achieve this. Drawing from the PMBOK guide, we'll highlight critical skills that ensure not only successful project delivery but also inspire leadership excellence. Let's begin by delivering into the traits that set successful leaders apart. As per PMBOK guide, there are 22 key skills essential for effective project leadership. These skills are a combination of leadership, interpersonal abilities, and technical project management expertise. Together, they pave the way for successful project delivery and impactful leadership. Today, we'll focus on some of the most critical skills that every leader should master. Communication is the lifeblood of effective leadership. It's all about ensuring clarity, fostering collaboration, and driving alignment among team members. As project leaders, we must master the art of conveying information effectively, whether it's setting expectations, providing feedback, or simply inspiring the team to move forward. Effective communication is more than just sharing information. It's about ensuring understanding and alignment. As leaders, we must tailor our communication to suit diverse team needs, ensuring that everyone stays informed and motivated. This approach leads clarity, improved morale, and ultimately project success. Consistent and transparent communication is essential, whether it's setting expectations, addressing concerns, or celebrating achievements. By fostering open channels of communication, leaders create an environment where teams feel supported and heard. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage our own emotions while empathizing with others. It's particularly critical in project management where we navigate uncertainties and collaborate with diverse teams. Leaders with high EI build trust and prioritize empathy, which are key traits of high-performing teams. Effective stakeholder management is about building strong relationships, identifying risk, and maximizing opportunities. By understanding stakeholder needs and addressing their concerns, leaders can align everyone's interest, ensuring smoother project execution and better outcome. The stakeholder management process starts with identifying all stakeholders and assessing their level of influence and engagement. This analysis guides the development of tailored communication and management strategies, enabling leaders to manage expectations efficiently and foster collaboration. An effective stakeholder management strategy involves understanding stakeholder needs and aligning engagement activities to meet those expectations. It's about being proactive and adaptive, ensuring stakeholders feel valued, invested in the project's success. Decision making is a core responsibility of project leaders. It's not just about choosing the right options, but doing so amidst conflicting pressures and competing interests. Effective leaders rely on data, experience, and institution to make timely and informed decisions, keeping projects on track. Organizational structures, behaviors, and external engagement highlights how structures shape strategy, processes, and budgets. Behaviors like trust and decision making defines teamwork and leadership. And external management focuses on customer relationships, supply, and competition. Understanding these dimensions help leaders align teams, foster collaboration, and adapt to external challenges effectively. The role of tailoring in PMBOK 7 for efficient project leadership. Let's start talking about how tailoring empowers leaders to become more efficient, adaptable, and successful. Tailoring isn't just a process, it's an art, one that transforms rigid frameworks into flexible, practical strategies that fit the unique needs of any project. By embracing the principles of PMBOK and learning how to tailor effectively, project leaders can drive greater success while inspiring confidence in their teams and stakeholders. Let's explore how this works. Why projects need tailored approaches. Projects are unique. Every project operates in a different environment with distinct objectives, constraints, and stakeholders' expectations. Rigid framework can fall. Following a size-one-fits-all methodology might lead to inefficiency, resource wastage, and unmet goals. Flexibility drives success. Customizing approaches allows project leaders to address specific challenges and optimize outcomes. So, how does the tailoring work? Think of it as a journey that starts with understanding your project and evolves through continuous improvement. The first step is assessing the project's context. Here you're looking at what makes the project unique. What's the scope? What are the constraints like time, budget, or resources? And perhaps most importantly, what do your stakeholders expect? This step sets the stage by identifying what challenges or opportunities might lie ahead. Next, you move on to implementing by selecting the right tools and methods. PMBOK offers a rich toolbox, but the key is to pick only what aligns with your project's goals. Think of it as decluttering. Focus on practices that add value and leave behind anything that could complement things unnecessarily. Then we evaluate and refine. Projects evolve, and so should your approach. By monitoring what's working and what's not, gathering feedback, and making adjustments, you ensure that your tailored strategy stays effective throughout the project's lifecycle. Tailoring helps leaders align their teams and drive progress. Think about this. When every team member knows exactly what they need to do and why they're doing it, productivity soars. By customizing workflows and keeping communication clear, leaders create a shared understanding of goals, ensuring that everyone is rowing in the same direction. Tailoring fosters stakeholders' trust. When a leader actively adapts strategies to meet specific stakeholder needs, it sends a powerful message. Your success is our success. Stakeholders appreciate flexibility and the effort to deliver solutions that genuinely work for them. Over time, this builds credibility and strengthens the leader's reputation as a results-oriented problem solver. Next, you move on to implementing by selecting the right tools and methods. PMBOK offers a rich toolbox, but the key is to pick only what aligns with your project's goals. Think of it as decluttering. Focus on practices that add value and leave behind anything that could complement things unnecessarily. The benefits of tailoring. Customizing processes and tools keeps projects relevant and efficient. Tailoring ensures every decision serves the project's unique need, driving success and better outcomes. Tailoring optimizes resources and time. By focusing on only the tools and processes that truly add value, you eliminate unnecessary steps and reduce overhead. Think of it as like packing for a trip. If you only take what you really need, you save space and make travel more efficient. In projects, this means smoother workflow and faster delivery.
Let's talk about team development tools. The Tuckman Ladder model for team development is a widely recognized model for understanding team development. This model outlines 5 stages that teams go through as they grow and develop. Each stage presents unique challenges, and understanding these dynamics helps project leaders to guide their teams to success. Next is the storming stage, often the most challenging one. Here, conflicts emerge as team members test boundaries and challenge ideas. Effective leaders act as mediators, facilitating open communication and resolving misunderstandings. They clarify responsibilities and keep the team focused on the shared vision. During this stage, emotional intelligence and conflict resolution skills are critical. Stage 3 is norming. As the team enters the norming stage, collaboration improves and trust is established. Leadership here is about fostering cohesion. Recognizing contributions and celebrating small successes go a long way in motivating the team. Leaders should also delegate responsibilities to empower their team members, reinforcing confidence and unity. The next stage is performing. In the performance stage, the team operates at peak efficiency. Members are highly motivated and work collaboratively toward goals. The leader's role shifts to providing autonomy and removing obstacles to maintain productivity. Finally, in the journeying stage, which is the last stage of Tuckman model, the project concludes and the team disbands or transitions to new challenges. Leadership focuses on closure, celebrating achievements and reflecting on lessons learned. It's also essential to support team members emotionally as they transition to their next roles.
Good project leadership is not just about meeting deadlines or managing resources. It's also about understanding what truly drives your team. Herberg's motivation hygiene theory offers a valuable framework. Imagine two factors: hygiene factors, which creates a stable foundation, and motivators, which ignites passion and productivity. Hygiene factors like fair pay and job security prevents dissatisfaction, but don't inherently inspire. Whereas motivators such as recognition and opportunities for growth bring out the best in people.
There are 6 common leadership styles they're going to discuss today. First is laissez faire leadership, transactional leadership, servant leadership, transformational leadership, charismatic leadership, and interactional leadership. Let's talk about principles of servant leadership. There are 5 main principles of servant leadership that we're going to talk about today. The first one is empathy. Empathy means understanding and sharing others' feelings. A good servant leadership is always empathetic towards his subordinates. Listening. Actively hearing and valuing team input. A good leader is always listens more and talks less. Stewardship. Managing resources for the benefits of others. Commitment to growth and building community. These are the 5 principles of servant leadership. Benefits of servant leadership. There are 3 major benefits of servant leadership in context of teams, for organizations, and for leaders. For teams, enhanced collaboration and increased job satisfaction and loyalty is the major benefit of servant leadership.
For organizations, better innovation and adaptability and increase in overall performance. Servant leadership bolsters the growth and development of the organization and improves the overall profitability, growth, and development of the organization. For leaders, it increases their trust and builds stronger relationship. Let's talk about transformational leadership. Transformational leadership is a leadership approach that seeks to inspire and empower individuals to achieve extraordinary outcomes by fostering innovation, collaboration, and positive change. Let's dive into the 4 I's of transformational leadership. The 4 I's are idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual simulation, and individualized consideration. In idealized influence, leaders serve as role models by demonstrating integrity and ethical values. They inspire trust and admiration, setting an example for others to follow. Similarly, in inspirational motivation, leaders articulate a clear, compelling vision that excites and motivates followers. In intellectual simulation, transformation leaders foster creativity and innovation by encouraging followers to think critically, question assumptions, and pursue personal growth. Under individualized consideration, leaders provide personalized mentorship, address the unique needs and aspirations of each follower. Let's look at some of the traits of transformational leaders. A transformational leader will always be dedicated to inspire and empower others. He will always be focused on creating innovative solutions and positive outcomes. He is always emotionally connected with his followers and will always clearly articulate a shared vision. Also, a transformation leader is always flexible to changing circumstances and always focuses on creating innovative solutions and positive outcomes. Let's talk about some benefits of transformational leadership. Under transformational leadership, there are 5 main benefits that we can talk about. The first one is hope and resilience. Transformational leadership inspires courage and optimism in tough times. It also drives real change and creates strong emotional bonds, increased motivation, and empowers your employees. Transformation leadership also enhances well being. It promotes psychological safety, reduces stress, and improves productivity. Let's look at how to practice transformational leadership. Under transformational leadership, there should be a common vision that inspires and resonates with others. It should also motivate change by articulating challenges and presenting solutions with an emotional appeal. A transformational leader always leads by an example. He demonstrates the behaviors and values that he expects from others. Solving problems he always focuses on actionable, creative solutions rather than just identifying issues. Let's look at some transformational leaders examples. Martin Luther King Jr. inspired the civil rights movement through his vision of equality, love, and justice. He created a long-lasting impact with his great speeches and through his actions. Mother Teresa was the face of compassion and service and dedicated her life in helping the marginalized and poor. Reed Hastings and Elon Musk, as we all know, are the titans of the IT industry. Reed Hastings created Netflix, and Elon Musk, as we all know, Tesla, SpaceX, and many other sustainable energy and space exploration companies which we all see today. All these 4 great personalities are examples of transformational leaders. Transactional leadership. Transactional leadership focuses on achieving goals through structured process, feedback, and rewards. It emphasizes management by exception where only deviations from standards are addressed. There are 2 characteristics of transactional leadership: goal-oriented and rewards or consequences-based. It is best used for projects with clear deliverables and performance metrics. Also, situations that require tight control and accountability, transactional leadership is one of the best methods. Let's talk about laissez faire leadership. Laissez faire leadership is a hands off approach where team members are given the autonomy to make their own decisions and establish goals. Its characteristics are that minimal intervention is required by the project manager and it encourages team independence. It is best used for high performing teams with experienced, self motivated members. Also, projects requiring creative or innovative solutions, laissez faire leadership is the best method of leadership. Charismatic leadership. Charismatic leadership relies on the leader's enthusiasm, energy, confidence, and ability to inspire followers with strong convictions. There are two main characteristics of charismatic leadership: high energy and persuasive communication, and strong focus on relationships and motivation. It is best used for projects requiring quick motivation or buy in, and environments where personal influence is critical to success. Interactional leadership. Interactional leadership is a hybrid approach that blends transactional, transformational, and charismatic leadership styles to suit the situation. The two main characteristics of interactional leadership are adaptable and versatile, and it balances structure, inspiration, and influence. It is best used for complex, dynamic projects with diverse team needs and situations that require a mix of structure, vision, and personal connection.
As you can see, effective project leadership is a blend of knowledge, skills, and a positive attitude. By embracing those principles and utilizing the tools and techniques we have discussed, you can become a project leader who inspires and achieves. We would love to hear from you. Share your experiences and insights on project leadership in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on mastering project management. Thank you for watching.